Hello English learners, welcome back here. In part 1 and 2 of this series, we covered a wide range of essential words for asking for directions. And now let's explore some advanced words to refine your navigation skills even further. Starting off with GPS. Something we all use for going places. It stands for Global Positioning System, a technology for navigating and determining your exact location. For example, I'll enter the address into the GPS and find the fastest route. Stop. A little advice. Always trust your GPS. Your GPS always gives you the fastest route. According to some superstitions, if you use the GPS and then try a different route, you'll definitely get stuck in heavy traffic. Mina, you keep using the word route. What is it? Yes, the word route. Repeat it. Route. Route. Route is the path you take to reach your destination. For example, we'll take that route along the coast. Next word is shortcut. Repeat, shortcut. Shortcut. Shortcut is a quicker way to reach your destination. Shortcuts usually avoid main roads. For example, there is a shortcut through the park that will save us time. In big cities, apparently the locals know the shortcuts, not the tourists. Picture this situation. It's early in the morning. You leave home, starting your car, heading to work. Everything seems normal, right? But the road you always take is closed due to constructions. It's the time when you need a detour. Repeat, detour. 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 A detour is a temporary road deviation due to road closure or constructions. For example, we need to take a detour because of the roadworks. Next word is turnpike. Repeat, turnpike. 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 Turnpike is a toll road with limited access and high-speed lanes. For example, take the turnpike for faster travel, but be prepared to pay tolls. You have to pay if you want to drive faster. Next words on the list are freeway and highway. Repeat. Freeway. 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 Highway. 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 These two words are major roads for high-speed traffic. You may hear this from your GPS. Merge onto the highway and continue for 10 miles. And final word for today is lane. Repeat, lane. Lane. Lane is a designated part of a road for a single line of vehicles. For example, stay on the right lane until you reach the exit. Thank you very much for joining me in this lesson. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell below to get a notification for future videos. In the next lesson, we'll discover some more words to ask for directions in English. Until then, watch one of these videos here and improve your English. Bye-bye.